All right, we're eating healthy this morning with Chef Anthony and the Chef Anthony Test Kitchen, and we've started cutting the produce for our salad.
Yes. So we have our lettuce here, and we're going to start building things up. So we're looking for contrasting colors is one of our big things. So let's start with the brightest color we have, our sliced red peppers. And we'll just drop them on.
And one more thing we did during the break, we decided to cut a little of the pineapple as well.
Yes, add a little bit of texture from the pineapple.
Plus a little yellow for the salad too.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it'll look good. And this is a composed salad, so you want to build this salad with the colors in mind and lay everything in there. So now I want to lay in some cucumbers, and I'm going to actually just kind of place them in. And I always think of it as making a pizza.
Okay.
So I start on the outside and work my way in, and I'm going to add a little bit of onion. Now I cut these onions really thin, so I don't have to worry about that larger piece. It's going to go very nicely.
How pretty.
I actually put that one on the wrong way.
Now, if you were adding meat to your salad, would you put that
I would put that
towards the bottom or towards the top? Or
well,
in the middle, or?
I would, if I was doing like grilled chicken, I would lay the grilled chicken across the top right at the very end. And then if it was for my guests or I was putting this on a meal, they could add it as they wanted or pull from it as they wanted. Or you can just completely go to one of the sides and lay it across the side over here. It'll give you a nice presentation on it.
Right.
So, and then a little bit of tomatoes. I mean, you don't have to overload your salad, because the idea for this is to eat healthy. So put what you want on your salad, the things that you like, the parts that you like on your salad. And then a little bit of kiwi.
I love tomatoes, but it, you know, for presentation purposes, it like always bothers me when you get to the seedy parts because they just kind of fall apart.
Well, if you get a good tomato, I've even taken the seeds completely out of it and left just the meat of the tomato on there.
I mean, that part tastes good, it just doesn't lay right.
Exactly, and I'll use just the outside meat of it just so I have that beautiful presentation level on it. Now I have a little bit of pineapple, and I'm going to lay those on there, but I don't want to overpower it, so I'm only going to use a little bit.
There you go.
Just like so. And then I'm going to take my salad dressing.
Remember we made the citrus vinaigrette?
Yes.
What were real quickly, there wasn't a lot of ingredients in it.
It's Dijon mustard, honey, apple cider vinegar, orange juice, and extra virgin olive oil.
That's right. And you did your acids first?
Yes. And then...
And if you want to see the specific measurements for each one, again, go to our website, KOAMnewsnow.com. We'll have those on there for you.
2 tablespoons of everything except for Dijon mustard, which is 1 teaspoon.
And if you had to use yellow mustard, then...
Cut that in half.
Yeah. See, I pay attention.
Yeah, here we go. We have our salad right there, but one of the things that I like to do for my salad is to kick it just a little bit. So I use just a little bit of black pepper.
Okay.
It doesn't take much. And you have a beautiful, healthier salad alternative.
That is beautiful. Try to tilt it just enough, but not lose it. That is gorgeous. All right.
Now something like that with all the fruit and everything else on it is going to give you a good meal for the evening. So you're going to eat a little bit stronger. It's going to give you a little bit more fuel to kind of end your day. But a lot of people, they go, well, lunch, but think about it. Lunch is the middle of the day. You're going to have to fuel yourself through dinner. So eat a little bit stronger on your lunch.
I got a piece of everything, I think.
I think so.
Okay, this is a big bite. I'm going to challenge myself with it. Well, I'm trying this. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what you guys are doing in class?
So my baking and pastry class started pies, and they're making assorted fruit pies. One of my groups did an apple pie with antioxidant berries. And they do a cooked fruit pie method to kind of create something new, and they make their crust from scratch.
That's good.
So they're working on that. This evening and tomorrow, my students will be cooking for the Bill Hansen basketball tournament. So if you're going to the tournament, make sure that you come out and see us and get some of our wonderful buffet. Tonight is a picnic-themed buffet, so hamburgers, hot dogs, baked beans, potato salad, chips, and tomorrow's taco bar.
That sounds amazing.
So we're getting excited.
So we talked about possibly doing some sandwich varieties next week?
We're going to keep with the lunch theme and talk about sandwiches next week. We're going to talk about breads and how to build sandwiches, and we're going to talk about the healthy alternative for Taco Tuesday.
Oh, there you go. Sounds like a plan. All right, this is delicious. Make sure you go to our website. Try out, I mean, you don't have to have a boring old salad. You can put lots of variety into it like
Yes.
this, and the colors are amazing.
Well, good. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
All right, that vinaigrette is good. Spot on.
Oh, yes.
I think I got a lot of pepper in my throat there when I was eating it, though. All right, we will be right back.